Today I want to learn Marichyasana D.
Marichyasana D?
Yes.
Okay, we'll see Marichyasana. We're going to do easy Marichyasana D. Okay. Now, mostly people try to do it. When mostly people do it, their hand slightly slides. Like it will slightly come out and then they're not able to hold on to that posture, right? So what we're going to do, we have to think about this area. Normally people, they put outer triceps, this area of the triceps here on the knee, outside of the knee, and then trying to rotate it. It's hard. Make sure there shouldn't be any space here. So what do you have to do? You place this area, exactly the inner part of your arm, and rotate your arms here, and then place this here as close as possible to the top of your shin bone. And on top of that, squeeze your shoulder, try to bring your shoulder more down, because if you keep your back straight, the hand will slide. So it's very important to keep your shoulder slightly down, and you have to think about this area all the time. Not on the back one, think about this area. Now rotate it, and then as you're thinking about this, bring it more down, take your right hand back and press this thigh slowly down. Now take your right hand back, interlock. She can do it. It took her 3-4 days to reach here every day. Now finally she understands this. Now slightly open your chest if you can, and take your left shoulder forward and right shoulder slightly back. Okay, that's it. Every time exhale, try to bring the shoulder slightly down and forward, and every time inhale, lift your chest more up from this side. Okay, every time exhale, bring the shoulder more. Every time inhale, lift this chest from that side. That is Marichyasana D. Easy. Try, it's so easy. It's nothing.